Have you ever wanted a trick or an easy way to do the perfect winged eyeliner? Not that these are perfect, because I think I have them a little jacked up, but trust me, you can do it perfect if you're not in a hurry. I found a cheat. I found a way to do the perfect winged liner with no skills involved at all. This little thing is an eyeliner stamp, okay? Eyeliner stamp. If you're interested in it, I'll tell you where to get it. I'll tell you how much it was, and it's so easy. It's the greatest thing ever. I will keep buying this because it's awesome. I thought it would be gimmicky. Nope, not gimmicky. It works. It really does. Okay, we're gonna jump right into me using it, and I'll tell you all about it. Okay, so I have found something amazing. All right, I found this on Amazon, and I will put all the information down below so that you guys can find exactly which one it is. This is the wing liner stamp. All right, and I've played with stamps before, you know, where you kind of you color it and then you stamp it on there. This is not that way. This is a whole little pen that has a liner in one end and a stamp in the other. And I know, I forgot that I was gonna film this part. It has just a marker on one end, and that's what I have used already to do my line. So, you know, just like normal. You do your line. So you basically get two markers in one. It's a super dark line. On the box it says it is waterproof and smudge proof. Waterproof, smudge proof, and life proof. This is by Lovor. You'll see that? Lovor. I'm not sure how you say that. All I know is where I ordered it from. L-O-V-O-I-R. I paid $12.99 for it, and y'all, it's worth it. Let me show you. So you get two eyeliners for one. Okay, so that's a plus. You get two eyeliners for $12.99 that are the marker ones, because both of these have markers on either end. Okay, so you get two eyeliners anyway, so that's a really good deal, whether or not you need the stamp or not. So you have two of those, and they are labeled that on one end it says pen, and the other end it says stamp. Actually, it tells you this is the left wing. So if you have struggled like me with getting a wing, when you're ordering this, you can pick 10mm, which is what they call classic, and that's probably what I would have gotten. The one that I have is 12. Nope, I have 10. You could go 8, 10, or 12, and mine's the 10 because it said it was the classic, so that's what I went with. And you have a left stamp and a right stamp. Okay, so I have both of those. And it looks just like a little stamp. So you have to make sure, you know, when you're gonna stamp it on there, it is curved to the left. So that's what we're gonna do. You just line it up. You can make it go up like this, which would not be a good look, or kind of out. Look at that. I didn't even put it in the right spot. Okay, no problem. We can fix it. See, I put it, see how I didn't put it to the end of my line there, which is not a problem. You can just end up with your liner. Just like that. All right, so let's do the other one. So you have to switch pens. You can't use the left on the right eye, obviously. So now I'm gonna pick up this. Hopefully I can put it in the same spot, the same angle, and I really didn't. Ooh. Just draw them out. I've kind of still got it. That's all you have to do. Oh, I'm not even in focus. Look how easy that was. Stamp it on, draw your line. I am the worst with drawing wings. I'm not good at all. So this helps. If you want it more sharp on the end, all you have to do is come back with your liner and then just make your flick a little bit longer. But you have the basic shape with the stamp. So easiest thing in the world. Easy, easy, easy. If you have trouble with it, buy this stamp. I'm telling you, get it. I'll leave the link down below. It was $12.99. I know there's a bunch of different ones on Amazon, but I will put the exact link to the exact one that I bought. Not that y'all have to do that, but this is the only one that I've tried out. I don't know what the rest of those do, but I know the one that I've tried is the Lovor, but it didn't look like this on the ad. It didn't show this box. So that could be confusing. So I'll put the link down below to the one that I got for $12.99. Okay, so that is how you do a wing liner the easy way. I guess I should put lashes on and tell you guys. Okay, so I have my lashes on. The ones that I use today are really long. They are super glam and super fluttery. Let me tell you which ones those are. I have them in here upside down. This is the Salon Perfect, the style 614. These are super long and wispy and fluttery, which I love. But the first pair that I wore, and I probably lost them somewhere, probably ditched them. The first pair I wore, I was like, these are ridiculous. There is no way this is working. So I've only been wearing false lashes for maybe the last 2 years. I just was a complete newbie with that and was scared to death of them. So what I thought you were supposed to do is just buy them and then take them straight out of the package and put them on your eye. No, you have to trim them. These, let's see, where's what I trimmed off? Okay, so these I trimmed off. All right, so this is how much I trimmed off of the end, and I always trim from the outside of my eye, the long wispy part. That's where I just cut off a chunk. It makes all the difference in the entire world to trim your lashes. Just, I mean, the tiniest little bit. If you've ever worn lashes and you're like, oh, I feel these are heavy, these are bumping my eye, if you feel like that, you didn't trim them. You have to trim them. If you trim them so that they fit just really, I don't go in more than probably a finger's width, but you can tell, just trim a little piece off, lay it up there. If it hangs off the end of your eye, it will bring your eye down. Of course, we're getting into a whole different video here, but I'm just saying, I trim these lashes. These I like a lot. So that's what I'm wearing today, just in case y'all needed to know that. What do we think? Okay, so here is the finished look with the eyeliner. I do realize that I have one a little bigger than the other, but that's just me because I didn't line it up exactly right. So go a little slower and pay more attention. I don't think it's that, well, it may not be that different. I don't know. If I have one a little bit bigger than the other one, it's just because I got a little heavy-handed with the liner part. But this is a miracle product for me. If you saw me try to do a wing without the help of these stamps, you would be laughing. Half the time when I try it, I end up having to take my makeup off and then just blur some shadow over the top of it and just forget it because I can't ever get it right. I'm stunted. I'm stunted with my eyeliner growth. I cannot advance. I cannot make the wing look right. But this product is awesome. I think actually I may order the 8mm. This is the 10mm classic, and so it's a little longer but I mean, it goes with the dramatic eye. But if you're looking to wear it every day, the 8mm might be the way to go. Or if you want drama, they do have a 12. So if you're in the remedial class for eyeliner application, get this stamp. This will just solve all your problems. Okay, so y'all have a good one, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.